to start a snail business with zero capital or little capital. Let me firstly tell you, you can start a snail business even in your kitchen. Not talk of backyard. Even in your kitchen, you can start a snail business. Let me give you 2 ways to start it. Look at this container. Look at this seaway container. Majority have it at home that has broken like this or useless. You can use it to start a snail business. Just cut off the head like this. Pour the sand to these tips, the treated sand. Then introduce your snail. This one cannot contain more than 3 to 5 snail to avoid overstocking. Then you introduce your nets. Make sure you tighten the nets very well so that the snail will not escape. You can use your tire. You can visit those vulcanizers and get free tire from them. Use it for your snail at home. Then how do you get this snail? Some people are so worried that how do they get snails? They don't have money. If you go to the market and the snail is too costly in the market, you are not allowed. It is not advisable to buy breeding snails in the market. You will not have good experience. The first thing you will notice that you will keep the snail for months without even for years without having a single egg. Because they expose these snails to the sunlight. And also at times they starve those snails without giving them proper feed. And all this will reduce the reproductive systems in them. The reproduction rate will be more, even there will be no single eggs, a single egg if you breed them for months. That is why it is advisable either you source for your own snail or you get it from the breeder, a reliable breeder. How do you source for your own snail without spending much time and much money? Firstly, visit those houses or fruit seller. Tell them to give you rotten orange, rotten cucumber, rotten the spoiled watermelon. They will give you for free. You are not buying it. Once you get home, there is no how you slice it without seeing a side that will be good. Just get just little particular side that it is still good or fresh. Put it in a tray. Let there be rain. After the rain has dropped, around 5 to 6 or 7 in the evening, move close to a nearby uncompleted building or bush around your street. Make a little cultivation, cut of some spaces and let there be space in the place you want to put this fruit. Put the fruit there inside the tray. When it is at exactly 9 o'clock, that same day in the evening, stroke 10 o'clock, go back to that place you put the fruit. All those snails you see around those fruits, you see on the fruit, just check the size. You will see that you have good snail from there. Good achatina marginata will be out from there. Unless if it is not in that area. Because some people ask me this question. What if they do it and garden snail comes in? Garden snail will also comes in. But take note of the shell. There is no how small achatina marginata is. It will not be as long as a garden snail. That's number 1. Number 2, achatina marginata color is far different from the garden snail. Number 3, achatina marginata skin is more darker than the garden snail. And if you want to check as small as achatina marginata is, it will bring the shape of what do you call it? Blue, elbow, like this. If you do like a spherical face, round shape, it will not bring a long shape. So that is how you get your own free snail. Once you are able to source for the free snail, then you introduce them to the house you already constructed in your kitchen, in your passage, your backyard, or in your room. They started breeding, either for consumption, or you can breed it to eat, or you can breed it to gain more experience. Because the experience a farmer gain from snail, it's far different from experience another farmer will gain. You cannot gain the same experience because you are not in the same location. You are not having the same weather condition at the time. To feed snail doesn't require much money. Like I've said before, you can sort for the food in a nearby bush around your house. You can plant the vegetable in your house. If you are making use of the free range system or greenhouse, you don't need to source for any vegetable because you already have planted all this. And they will go there and feed for themselves. They only need to bring in the formulated feed if you like. But now, for those of you using the pen, the trench, hot box, you can walk in straight to the fruit seller, like I've said earlier. You tell them to give you those spoiled fruit. They will take a time to slice it bit by bit to get the better part of the fruit. Then introduce them to your snail. It's good. If you cook rice in your house, after you've cooked the rice to the well done part, that is the rice has been well cooked. Before you add salt, take little of it, put it somewhere. You can now add salt to the one you want to heat. Then you can give it to them, they will eat.